Good morning, good day mga kabibo. Yan. Graduation day ng anak ko ngayon. At nandun na siya sa school. Nauna siya kasi 5 PM pa man naman yung una siya mag-picture doon. Susunod lang kami ni Mrs. Nag-intro na lang ako. Ay, maaga pa naman Mrs. So, mamaya pupunta rin kami sa school. Graduation niya, college. Pangalawang graduation ko sa college. Graduation sa college. Pangalawang graduate ko po, yung panganay, pangalawa, at yun. Yung pangatlo naman is third year college na rin sa pasukan. So, ganun lang talaga ang buhay mga kabiboy. Habang tumatanda tayo, may graduate din tayo. Okay? So, mamaya pakita ko yung mga kaganapan sa school ng aking anak. Okay
Sino ko na rin charge sa kuryente, sa may electric fan, please?
Ayan, graduate na sila. Ayan. Ang daming mag-graduate. Ayan, anak ko. Nagpipictura na sila ngayon. Nagpicture na rin kami. Meron din daw nagpipicture. Hanap tayong magandang picturean. Graduation dito ng college sa Aklan State University, Makato Campus. Yan, kasama yung anak kong gagraduate. Education. Dito rin ako nag-graduate ng high school. Dati ang pangalan ito, Aklan State University. Kami yung first batch dito na nag-graduate ng Aklan State University. Ngayon is Aklan State College of Agriculture pala dati. Kami yung first batch. Aklan State College of Agriculture, ngayon Aklan State University na siya. So, dito talaga ako nag-aral noon. Ganyan pa rin ito yung school namin. Ganyan pa, kahaba pa rin. Ang bayan, dito dati basketballan. Dito puro grass lang to dati. Yan, ngayon naging stage na rin. Ayan, diba? Ang dami ng improvement. Ayun dating stage namin. Tapos yan. School. Ito yung school. So, dito na rin yung mga anak ko nag-aral. Diba? Ganun naman yan eh. Mana-mana lang. Yan, mamaya ulit ang update. Susuotan daw ako ng ng sombrero.
Mas kasya pa kay Papa tong
Pakicture na kayo tatlo?
Oo.
Graduate na ako yan.
Sa may gold? Magkano ang bayad?
Graduate na ako. Sinuotan ako ng sombrero. Ganun daw yung uso ngayon eh. Sinuotan ng sombrero. Si Sir Ariel Sir Ariel Israel.
Bayang mag-iliw.
Medyo puno siguro sir
Puno sigarilyo.
Mamaya naman processional.
Malugod natin salubungin ang ating mga kasapi ng agawan at mga kawani ng campus. Mga kasapi ng lupon ng mga rehente. Dating Pangulo ng Pamantasan. Kalihim ng Pamantasan. At ang Pangulo
Larin, our University President, and the Vice Chair of the Board of Regents of Aklan State University, I have the honor to present to you the 184 candidates for graduation for the second semester academic year 2024-2025 of the College of Human Development and Performance Sciences, Aklan State University, under the following curricular programs: Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics, 62 candidates. Bachelor of Physical Education, 99 candidates. And Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Sciences, major in Fitness and Sports Management, 23 candidates. These 184 candidates are hereby recommended for the conferment of their degrees.
Upang formal naman ay gawad ang mga degree sa ating mga magsisipagtapos sa visa ng otoridad na ipinagkaloob sa kanya ng grupo ng mga rehente, inaaniyahan po natin ang Pangulo ng Pamantasan, Dr. Jeffrey A. Clarin, SUC President P.
By the authority vested upon me as University President and Vice Chair of the Board of Regents of Aklan State University, with the certification of the program chairs of the Bachelor of Physical Education and the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Sciences, major in Fitness and Sports Management, and Bachelor of Early Childhood Education, and as well as the certification of the Deans of the College of Teacher Education, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements for your respective degree programs. Therefore, I hereby confer upon you graduates your respective degrees with all the rights, privileges, duties, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Maligayang pagbati sa inyo mga nagsipagtapos. Maraming pong salamat, Pangulong Clarin. At sa muli, para sa pagpapakilala ng panauhing pandangal, isasagawa ni Dr. Jeffrey A. Clarin, SUC President P.
Good afternoon. Engineer Rowan Robero Helonga.
Thank you. Please sit down. Actually, college education, and therefore your graduation is really a big achievement for each one of you. And of course, you know well that your achievement is not yours alone. You are here right now because of the support, the encouragement, as well as the sacrifices of many people, your parents and guardians, your family, your teachers, your friends, and many others. As an old proverb says, it takes a village to raise a child, and the same can be said of your college education. A lot of people made it possible. As such, let us always thank all the people who have supported our education, most particularly our parents and our guardians. Let us never take for granted their support and guidance, and let us always express our gratitude to them.
Ilalim dito ba? Ito yung pinakailalim ko. Tapos stop ito rin. Stick mo na yan. Hindi ko na ginagamit niya sa ano. Nagiluto.
Malenjo, Ialaki, Buena Vista, Mamas Aklan. Tagas, Pangalan Aklan. Kahilig, Gerald C. Mayapay, Buruanga Aklan. Camaso, Grace P. Unidos, Navas Aklan. Poblasyon, Makato Aklan. Esco, Banje B. Unidos, Navas Aklan. Evangelio Jean-Iwer C. Cum laude. Panglapag, Malay Aklan.
Nagdadaan, hindi na sila dadaan.
Okay, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. In all humility and sincerity, I do solemnly swear the hold in high respect and veneration the name and integrity of my alma mater, to upload and maintain to sublime virtues of loyalty, love and service, which she has nobly bequeathed to me to guard against ignominy and desecration this diploma, which shall now and forever stands as a symbol of trust, to keep and duty to perform. So help me God. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Maraming pong salamat,
Kanta sila.
Pangulong Clarin.
Kanta na.
Manatiling nakatayo para sa panunumpa bilang mga kasapi ng alumni na pangungunahan ng kinatawan ng Pangulo ng Alumni na si Ginoong Renel D. Rico, pangalawang Pangulo ng Aklan State University, Makato Alumni Association Incorporated.
Again, just raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name.
Who have nothing.
Having this day received my diploma as a graduate of the Aklan State University, Makato, for academic year 2024-2025. Of the Aklan State University. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge my duties and responsibilities as alumna of the issue. That I will abide and uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the ASU Makato Alumni Association Incorporated, and that of the Republic of the Philippines. That I will manifest as a true, loyal, and committed alumna of the university. So help me God. Congratulations, graduates, and welcome home.
Maraming pong salamat, Ginoong Nico. Bilang pagdiriwang sa kanilang mga karanasan at tagumpay sa mahalagang araw na ito, makisaya tayo sa isang natatanging pagtatanghal mula sa mga nagsipag tapos.
May pan pala.
ang lupang ulat sa dilim. Sa gitna ng mundo, sigaw mo sa langit para iwanan sa dilim.
Masaya sila, hindi kagaya nung una na iyakan talaga. Is you beloved keeper, saver, to thee, O Lord, I pray. God's my alma mater, is you beloved keeper, saver, to thee, O Lord, I pray. It's you I love thee, the solemn pledge I vow eternally. I wish in my memory upon this land forever reigns my alma mater, Queen divine. Shine on the gifts of heaven, sunshine on. Yes, you are lovely, the solemn pledge of vow eternally. I treasures in my memory upon this land forever reigns my alma mater, Queen divine. Shine on the gifts of heaven, sunshine on. Shine on the gifts of heaven, sunshine on. This my alma mater. Ting-tining. May ting-tining ko yan.
Sa muli, marami pong salamat sa inyong pagdato at pakikiisa. Bilang magdrat na formal na pagsasara ng seremonya ng ika-26 na pagtatapos ng Aklan State University, tumayo mo ang lahat para sa paglabas ng University Mace at bandila ng Republika ng Pilipinas na susundan ng resesyonan.
side.
Katabi na mo ng vlogger. Sa gitna.
Pagpupugay sa inyong Class of 2025. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Magsilbi sa bayan. Padayon!
Nahanap ka ni mama mo, yun o. May sound. Sige, huwag na magtugtog para may video tayo. Yan o. Nag-graduate din niyang kahapon ni Choy Choy. Kahapon siya graduate. Graduate IT. Information Technology sa Aklan State University Kalibo Campus naman siya graduate kahapon. Yan, boyfriend ko na aking panganay. Supported, napakasuportahan. Keep yan. Dito siya ngayon. Graduation naman aking pangalawa. Video yung sa akin eh. Video ba? Video na lang ha. Congratulations. Magkakatakyat ka sa taas?
Taas? Ito. Ano? Upo ka.
Video mo ako eh. Wala. Gano'n na gano'n, hindi mo nakita. B-Boy! Good morning! Hindi na ako nakapag-outro kagabi. Natapos ang graduation ng aking anak mga 8:30 na. Picture-picture pa doon. Mga tropa, mga kaklase niya. So, medyo tumagal din kami doon. Siyempre, ganun din na. Naranasan ko rin mag-graduate na yan, di ba? Lahat ng graduate, lahat ng picture-picture. Ginagawa natin yung picture-picture na yan. Kasi yan ay mga memories, remembrance. Kasi maghihiwalay ng mga iyan. Kanya-kanya na silang mga buhay-buhay. Makikita lang yan paminsan-minsan. O, di ba? Ganun talaga. So, ayun. At last, nakagraduate na rin ng aking anak. Bachelor of Physical Education. Yung teacher. So, ayun. Maraming salamat.